I got the goods, fam. Yay! Never, never fall. So I just got back. Yay, I got it. I was so happy when I bought it. It was just like for 30 bucks, so it's not that bad. Well, for me at least, but let's unbox it together. I only bought one thing because I can't afford another shirt right now, but I'll buy another like pillow or something maybe in March if they still have it. I'm gonna treat myself on my birthday. Here we go. Here we are. Da 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 da. Yay! Wow. Oh, so cute. Look at it. I got the Chimmy shirt because it's the cutest one they have. So I just put it on. I bought a medium, by the way. It fits perfectly. I'm wearing like a turtleneck right now, but it looks really good. It like goes up until like above your elbow and has these like slits on the side. I forgot to mention that you can't try them on. I'm usually a medium, so just follow the size that you normally use in other stores if you are gonna like buy a shirt. They're also out of the posters, so be sure to keep that in mind if you're planning to like get a poster. At least I got the merch. It's so adorable in there. You'll definitely fall in love. They're playing like BTS music all throughout the day, I think, because like when I came in they were playing C, which is like in the Love Myself album. Definitely worth it too because the quality is pretty nice in my opinion. It also fits very, very well, like I said. Also, they do not like collect tax, so if the website says that it's like $29.50, it's $29.50. It's exactly that price unless you exceed $99, I think. That's when they like get taxed. And yeah, I'm sorry if like the lighting is weird. I'm in my dining area. It's kind of dark in here and it's also really late, but I hope you guys liked watching this video. If you guys did like it, give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. I would love to create more BTS related content if you guys want those, and I hope this also helped those armies who are planning to buy like merch, so don't worry. Anyway, I hope this helped a lot of you, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content. And yeah, anyway, I'll go head out and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye.